Good morning, 7th standard. Welcome again in GK class with Ojashwini. So, how's your holidays of 2 weeks? Fine, good. So, it's time to start our GK study again, and our today's topic is country, capital, and currency. Chapter 6. You can see this picture. Do you know about your country? So, what is the name of your country? India. Zoom the picture and you can see, guys, India. Our India. And what is the capital of India? Delhi. And you can see in the second picture Qutub Minar, India Gate, Lotus Temple, Red Fort, है ना, Akshardham Temple. Do you know about your flag? What is the name of your Indian flag? Yes, it is Tiranga, or we also call it tricolor. Do you recognize your currency? It is very important, है ना? Because if you have to buy something or pay for anything, you need it. And you can see it here in paper currency and also coin currency. Do you know what is the symbol of Indian currency? Yes, it is rupee. And its symbol is Ra. So, it is about our country. Do you want to know about other countries? Okay. So, our today's topic is country, capital, and currency. Number 1, Bangladesh. In this video, you can see first the flag of that country that is already given in your GK book chapter 6. Then the map of Bangladesh and capital of Bangladesh. Okay, so what is the capital of Bangladesh? Dhaka. And this is all about also Bangladesh. National currency of Bangladesh is Taka. You can see in the first picture, paper note is there, and this paper currency is 1000 Taka. Value of this paper currency 1000 Taka. Then coin currency is also there below the paper currency, and value of this coin currency is 1 Taka. Then right side you are able to see small t. It is not a small t, it is the symbol of Bangladesh currency Taka. The next, China, and its capital is Beijing. Right side, the map of China. Here, Chinese national currency is yuan. Paper currency of China is 1 yuan in the first picture. This 1 yuan is the value of this paper currency of China. Then coin currency is also there, and value of this coin currency is 10 yuan. Then right side, one symbol is there, and this symbol is of Chinese currency yuan. The next one, Italy. And Italy, its capital is Rome. Map you can see. Then currency of Italy is known as lira. Italian currency of banknote is of 2000 lire. Left side, the upper one picture, value of this paper currency is 2000 lire. Then Italian coin currency of 10 lire and many more, 5, 10, है ना, and 1.5, 100, 200. These all are coin currency. Upside right single picture is the symbol of lyre. This was the old currency of Italy. Did you know? It was stopped from 28 February 2002, and from 28 February 2002 new currency was started of Italy, and its name is Italian Euro. Currency of Italy is known as Euro, the new currency. Paper currency of Italy is 100 cento euro, value of this paper currency. Then value of coin currency is 10 cents, 5 cents, 2 cents, 1 cent, and the symbol of euro. Next, Canada, and its capital is Ottawa. Currency of Canada is known as Canadian dollar. You can see in the picture, and value of this paper currency is 1000 Canadian dollar. Then value of this coin currency is 1 Canadian dollar, and as you know that we write the symbol of dollar before the money or amount. This small picture in the middle is the symbol of currency of Canada, Canadian dollar. Next, Japan, and its capital Tokyo. Then about the currency of Japan is known as yen. Value of this paper currency of Japan is 1000 yen, and value of the coin currency of Japan is 6 coins are there: 500 coin, 100 coin, 50 coin, 10 coin, 5 coin, 1 coin. These are yen, 5 yen, 50 yen. And the symbol of Japanese currency is yen. You can see the symbol. Next, Belgium, and its capital is Brussels. Wow. Gaddi, no toki, gaddi. है ना? Everybody like it. So, Belgian currency is known as euro. There are 10 euro, 50 euro, 100 euro, and many more euros, 200, 500, है ना? Then, if we talk about the coin currency, so the given coin currency's value is 40 francs, and we can call it Belgium francs, है ना? And its symbol is there, right side. Then New Zealand, and its capital is Wellington. See the map. Then information about New Zealand currency. Currency of New Zealand is dollar. And in the first picture of New Zealand currency, it is a paper currency, and its value is $10. The value of given coin currency of New Zealand is $10. Sorry, that is the value of paper currency, and the value of coin currency is $1. And This is S type figure is there. This is symbol of dollar. And as you know, we always write the symbol of dollar before the money. Russia, and its capital is Moscow. Please see this video carefully. Map, flag, country, capital, currency, its symbol, everything is in this video. So I hope nobody will forget after that video. Currency of Russia is known as Russian ruble. In some places you will get a different spelling, that is ROUBLE, and some places you will get RUBLE. Okay, so don't be confused, both are correct. The first paper note of Russia and its value is 2000 Russian ruble, and the value of coin currency of Russia is 1 Russian ruble, and between both the currencies one sign is there, that is symbol of Russian ruble. Next, Switzerland, and its capital is Bern. Currency of Switzerland is known as Swiss franc. In the first picture, that is a paper currency of Switzerland, and its value is 10 Swiss franc. The value of coin currency is 5 Swiss franc. And right side below picture, that is the symbol of Swiss franc. The next one, Thailand, its flag, its map, and its capital, baht. Now, currency of Thailand is known as Thai baht, and value of this paper currency is 1000 Thai baht. Value of this coin currency is 10 Thai baht. And in the third last picture, it is the symbol of Thailand currency, Thai baht. So, chapter 6 is completed. I hope this video help you to know more about the country, capital, flag, map and currency. Your today's homework is complete exercise of chapter 6 in good, clean and readable handwriting. Also learn it. All spelling must be correct. So thank you. Have a nice day.